We have an iPhone 11 Pro. So this phone is water damaged and he wants me to take a look at it and see if I can get it on so he can get his data back. Because this phone is water resistant, water tends to mess up the screen, but not the actual board of the phone. We're gonna plug this phone in, see how much power it's taking, and if it's taking a considerable amount, it's probably just a screen issue. So our amp meter shows it's taking 0.45 amps, which is not terrible. Oh, it's 2.52. So what that tells me basically is that the phone is booting up and the screen is probably just broken, but we won't know for sure until we open it up and try a new screen. Switching the mute switch is not making the phone vibrate, which is kind of a red flag. So let's open this up and see what's wrong. Unscrew. So this phone is in pretty bad shape. It looks like we have rust over here, and yeah, that's about it. Nothing else looks too messed up. The reason water gets in here so easily is because of the speaker grill. What often happens is water will damage the proximity sensor or the ambient light sensor, and it causes boot looping or other issues. With the iPhone 12, it makes the screen go completely black. The earpiece speaker assembly bricked the entire phone. Literally makes 0 sense, and Apple would probably tell you to just get a new phone if you went to them. This is a fatal flaw with the iPhone 12, and I have no clue why Apple even did this. The iPhone 13 though, none of this will happen. It's much more water resistant than the past generations, and the speaker itself is on the actual phone instead of on the screen. That allows for the speaker to actually be bigger, providing better sound and actually providing better durability. This is the infrared camera, and because it's rusty around here, we can assume Face ID will no longer work. We can also see this bright red sticker, which is the water damage indicator. There's also one over here. They're both bright red, which means this area has been in contact with water, and so has this area. We're gonna disconnect the battery and the screen, try a new screen, and see if this thing still works. Unscrew. Now we can disconnect the screen. So we can also see some rust towards the bottom of the phone over here. It's the same concept. There are speaker holes. It's a lot easier for water to get in over here and over here than it is for it to get in the sides. We're gonna go ahead and connect a new display and see if that fixes the problem. This is the moment of truth. Let's see if this thing turns on. And it does. We have an Apple logo. Let's see if it boots. Our customer can get his data back without any problems. If he wants to go ahead and fix the entire phone, I'm sure that's viable. I'd have to test individual parts. I don't actually know his passcode right now, but the rust over here indicates his Face ID will probably never work again. He did go to the Apple store and they told him that they could fix this. They told him he had to get a new phone. And honestly, given the state of its interior, completely fixing this may not be worth it. But getting your data back, well, that's invaluable. It's honestly insane how many iPhones survive water damage. I got one sent to me by Aquatic Monkey from a lake that was in a lake for I think about 2 years, and I managed to get it on by just installing a battery and a screen. Aquatic Monkey actually sent me another phone. We have another phone recovery lake video on the way. Stay tuned for that. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell button. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.